This is Hurricane Ian update number 3. It made landfall. It made landfall about 6.5 hours. It made landfall about 6.5 hours ago. This is complete chaos. 90-mile-per-hour winds. We've gotten like 8 inches of rain. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go outside into the hurricane. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, that's
Okay, I'm out of the hurricane, everybody. This thing is chaotic. Watch that palm tree when the wind starts. And then also watch that. And then here we go. See what I mean? This is chaos. Ah! This is complete chaos. This is wreckage that was done from Hurricane Ian. Look at all of this. Oh, that's a lot of wind. That's a lot of wind. That's a lot of wind. That is a lot of wind.
One more time.
Look at all this. Look at all this wind. So yeah, this was going to be a short video. This is a short video. So yeah, I'm going to head out into the hurricane one more time. Look at this. Complete hurricane chaos. This is complete, utter chaos. Oh, I'm so cold. So yeah, I'm really cold. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.